Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in Wish on Google website or web browser. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wish.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Wish. So once you're here, simply tap on the login option. So now once you tap on the login option, all you need to do is simply type in the email address or phone number which has been registered and type in the password of your account. So once you're done, all you need to do is simply tap on the login option. So after this is done, you will get logged into your Wish account and you can continue your desirable shopping again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.